Hi kids, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's learn how to draw alphabet. So let's go. Now I am drawing letter A. A for apple, A for aeroplane. Now I am drawing letter B. B for ball, B for bike, B for bicycle, B for banana. Now I am drawing letter C. C for car, C for cat, C for car, C for cat. Now I am drawing aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A is for aeroplane. Now I am doing bicycle. B. B is for bicycle. B is for bicycle. Now I am drawing car. C is for car. C is for car. Please watch the full video and subscribe this channel. Bye bye kids.